In question 1, a particle of mass m has kinetic energy Ek and momentum p. A second particle of mass 2m has kinetic energy 2 Ek. Both particles are non-relativistic. Which of the following is equal to the momentum of the second particle? Energy momentum relation Ek equals to p square by 2m. Particle 1 has momentum p equals to root over 2m Ek. Particle 2 has momentum p2 equals to root over 2 into 2m into 2 Ek. Therefore, P2 in terms of P equals to 2P. The correct answer is 2P, option C. In question 2, the diagram shows the momentum of two trolleys X and Y before a collision. The mass of each trolley is 0.25 kg. The two trolleys join together after the collision and move on with a velocity of 1 meter per second. Which row of the table is correct for this collision? Momentum is always conserved in a closed system. This eliminates C and D. Momentum equals to mass into velocity. P equals to 0.5 given in the question. mv equals to 0.5 and v equals to 0.5 by 0.25 equals to 2 meter per second. Initial kinetic energy equals to half into 0.25 into 2 square, 0.5 joule. Final kinetic energy is 0.25 joule. Since kinetic energy is not conserved, the collision is inelastic. The correct answer is option B. In question 3, a sphere traveling at speed v collides elastically with an identical sphere which is at rest. After the collision, both spheres move off at an angle theta to the direction of travel of the first sphere as shown. The spheres have the same speed as each other. What is the speed of the spheres after the collision? After the collision, each sphere will have half of the original kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy equals to half of initial kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy equals to half m into final velocity whole square, and initial kinetic energy equals to half m into initial velocity whole square. Final velocity will be v by root 2. The correct answer is option B, v by root 2.